Welcome back to my channel. Oh, fucking no, cut the camera. Anyway, hi and welcome back. Okay, so today I have not filmed a whole day. I have not slept all day, and I feel like I'm on cocaine, but I think it's all the energy that I haven't slept. But today I have decided to take you into a little transformation from a little boy toy into this beautiful Catfish from Paris, and she's ready to go to the supermarket and buy a baguette and a croissant. If you guys like what you see right here, make sure to keep watching this video all the way till the end, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to join our family. And once again, don't forget to follow me on my rest of my family. That's all my social media, such as Instagram, which is Heaven's Little Demon. Right here again. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieve this easy, cute, quick glam, then keep on watching. I have not slept literally all night. My dumbass self couldn't just like sit down and tell my brain, like,
my brain's like so slow sometimes.
Like, it just takes like a little slower than other people to process. So hi, I am back again. And today's gonna be a pretty quick get ready. Today's get ready is gonna be like how to transform into a catfish. Like, you know, like you're gonna go from this into a multi-millionaire business, baby. That's what this makeup will show you today. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by highlighting my eyebrows and my beard area to cover them up with the lightest shade by the Instant Aging Rewinder by Maybelline. If you see me use this so many times on my channel and my looks, I really love this. So I'm just here to highlight my under eyes and my beard area and just like say
hi.
You see how nice this like thing works as like a base to like highlight your stuff? It just brightens up everything up and gives you a new horizon. Today's the 4th day I'm sitting down to film. Let's pray to Jesus our eyebrows will come through today. Because the past 3 times that I've tried to edit, my eyebrows did not want to pull through. They left me hanging. Because you're trying to set homegirl up for failure. What the fuck? Okay. And I'm just going to give myself some porcelain skin. I feel like I want to go full hand foundation today. Because like I need to cover those dark circles up. I need to cover up my new existence. So I'm just going to also grab the 120 in Creamy Ivory. And I'm going to come underneath my eyes. And I'm just going to highlight them. Look how pretty my foundation looks today. Today's video, I'm going to try to like do the whole look inside of like 40 minutes. I'm going to try to do this like catfish transformation instead of 40 minutes. And I feel like someone put something up my ass. Like literally rushing to speak. Okay. So after I go ahead and blend in my eye, it's time to contour. So for contouring today, I'm going to use the Fenty by Rihanna contouring stick in the shade Latte. Well, actually, let me just cut my side too a little bit. Okay, and I'm just going to grab my beauty blender and give me those like biological cheeks I'll be craving. Give me the Maleficent cheeks. After it literally took me like freaking 10 minutes to blend this contour stick. I don't know what it is, if it was a beauty blender, but I don't think so. This contour stick gave me some like hard time to beat. And I can still see a little bit of harsh lines. But it's okay, because later when we go over with powder, and like the powder contour, everything will come great. Okay, now that I am done with the base of my face, it's time to highlight. I've been literally highlighting with these 2 powders for the past week, and this result just every time leaves me goog and gagged. So I'm just getting the coconut, the white coconut setting powder. I'm going to set underneath my eyes, my T-zone, and my chin, in the middle of my nose, just because that's what my highlight is mostly. So underneath my eyes. By the way, thanks to Sephora, to that girl at Sephora, I remember her name. Little young Jimmy, when he started doing makeup, She said to me, she saw my makeup all nice, but she came up to me at Sephora once when I was there, and she's like, honey, your makeup is so great, but why don't you study your under eye? And I was like, I don't know why God sent you to me as a gift, but thank you. And since then, this under eye has been set and ready to go on vacation. I know I've said this before, and you probably bitches hate me, but this powder smells so much like sunscreen. I just want to go to Aruba or like Saint Tropez. Now, Saint Tropez is like when you go with your rich husband on a private jet. And I will never hurt his husband, but I'll be rich, so why not? Let's go to Saint Tropez. Okay? Because first of all, I will not have a husband. One, because I'm not stupid. I will have no one come and get my money. I feel like I'm on drugs. And I'm not even on drugs to say that. Oh my god, those two powders together just make me want to eat my face out. And I already want to myself sometimes because I'm so hot. Let's just grab our hands together and say,
Virgin Mary, Heavenly Father Jesus Christ, let these eyebrows come together.
Our holy prayers for Mother Mary the Virgin has been answered. And I got good brows on after 3 days. I'm so excited. Like, look at these snatched eyebrows. Okay, now I'm just gonna come and chisel my cheekbones a little bit. Give them like a little cut, you know, because they're about to cut your cunt. My cunt, my cunt, my cunt, my cunt, my cunt, my cunt. Oh my god, I look so good, but I'm not even done. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get a little, like my selfie blender perfecting brush. And I'm just gonna come and brighten up my under eye. Just set her to filth. And just like also like kind of clean my nose contour just to make it more pop. And we are perfectly blended for a selfie. The Saint Tropez Momentum. So I'm just going to get my Hulu bronzer by Benefit. And I'm going to use the same brush that I contour myself, this complexion brush. And I'm going to dab 1, 2 everywhere. And I'm just going to come and give me that Saint Tropez Momentum. Like, everything is good on the private jet. Duty free no more because duty free is canceled. Look at this! No, my contour eyebrows came out really freaking well today. I'm so happy with myself. Now I'm good and freaking gagged. That's my favorite part of all this extravaganza. And it's time to blush. Yo, no, blush is my favorite thing. Blush? Stop. I'm a blush person. I used to be a highlighter. I mean, I still am a highlighter person. But blush? Like, what? Girl, come through. Do you see how pretty blush makes a contour pop? Once you, like, blend in your blush with your contour, it just does that pop. And it looks all natural because, like, it looks like you're blushing, but, like, also blush creates your contour. So it looks like they're really natural. Which we live. For eyes, I want to go really, really simple. I'm not even going to do a smoky eye today. So for eyes, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab a crease brush by e.l.f. and this Huda palette. And I'm going to go in with this color right here. I'm just going to come and just like give me the like, oh my god, look how pretty this color is. What? I really like this color. So today I'm just going to go for a little like alien shape momentum. So what I always do with my alien shape thingy is I always going to drag this upwards. And then make it smaller as I go inwards. Does that make sense? Like, this is the eye. So I start on big up here. So I make circular motions. And then as I go into my eye, I turn it smaller. So it gives me the effect in my eye. Oh, I live for pinks. Pinks are so cute to me. I can't. Okay, so to finish up this eye, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the pink right here, and I'm just gonna put her in the inner corner and just play around. There we go. There we go. And it just like brings it back to life. I know I've done so many pinks looks on my channel, but they're also like they all such different pinks. They're never the same. To really come up and finish this side, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back into that beautiful color, and I'm just gonna go with a small precision brush by e.l.f. and just put it underneath my eye and connect it. Connect it. Beast! Okay, now I'm just gonna go repeat this eye off camera to save everybody some time, and I shall be right back. Okay, look how beautiful my eyes look. Stunning, just like me. Okay, now that I have my eyes on, it is time to throw on some final touches. And I'm just going to take it back to how I started doing makeup, because I miss doing that. So I'm just going to get a fan brush, and I'm going to get this Sephora highlighting palette. And I'm just going to only dig into the white. And I'm really going to dig in there. Like, we're going to turn caucasity right now. And we're gonna get, I'm just gonna come underneath my eyebrow and just add some highlight on it. Oh, I miss doing that so much. I haven't highlighted my brow bone. And God, do you see the difference underneath how pretty it looks? Whew! I haven't highlighted my brow bone in God knows how long. And now that I'm doing it, I feel like the ultimate bad bitch package is coming back. Okay, now with the same fan brush, I'm going to dip once again into the white. And I'm going to come and highlight the bridge of my nose. And really give it the glow it needs. I feel like fan brush, it's so easy to highlight noses. Like I've said this before, I really like the way my nose looks. So I never crazy contour my nose. So for lips, I'm going to go in with this little Winky Lux lip ammo. And so what this looks clear, but once you put it on your lips, it somehow like after you put on your lips and you play around with it for a second, it's going to turn pink. But like a really natural pink. Look, it's going to happen on camera. Wait for it. Look at my lips. Ready to start getting the color ready. Oh my god, do you see how natural this lip looks because of this? And it also really matches my eye. Really, really. The lips look such a like Barbie dooley like. I'm living. I'm gonna go pop some mascara on off camera and change my outfit. And I'll be back for the final result. I feel like a cheerleader, but let's do this. Bonjour, mon ami, oui, baguette and croissant, straight from the supermarket. Oh my god, I'm really obsessed with my look today. I'm feeling my Parisian fantasy. If you guys enjoyed this G Crazy Get Ready today into this snatch Parisian catfish, bonjour once again. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to become part of our family. And we can keep growing even more and more. And once again, I love you all guys so much. And thank you for watching. Mwah! And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!